How to log into your Gemini crypto account on a new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Gemini crypto account is logged out of your old phone. So after making sure it is logged out of your old phone on your new phone, make sure to install this application through your App Store or Play Store. Then from there, you can open the application. So after opening the application here, all you need to do is simply add in all of the credentials of your account in order to log in, right? So simply tap on sign in order to simply sign in, add in your email address, then tap on continue. Or if you have added any sort of passkey to your account, you can tap on sign in with passkey. Then there will be a further process of how you'll be able to add in your passkey, then log into your account. So like I said, it could be passkey on another device, or it could be through your Samsung ID or your Google password manager, right? So in here, in case if you have sign up your account through your Google ID, you can also tap on the option continue with Google, then add in the credentials of your Google ID in order to sign into your account too. So like I said, all you need to do is add in your email address, then tap on continue. Then there will be the process of adding your password of your account. Simply do that, then tap on login, and just like that, you'll be able to log into your Gemini crypto account on your new phone. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.